our previous lessons, we were looking at how to create the home page, how to create the course page, how to create the contact page, the video page. So in this training, in this part of the training, we are going to look at how to set up the location page. We're going to set up the location page. So please kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification button. Alright, so now let's quickly go to the menu button here. Click on it and let's come to location page. Let's go to location page. We want to remove the page. We don't want to make it location page. So let's click on it to write location there. Location. Then you click on apply. Click on apply. Good. So we have it here. I hope you can see its location. Now let's go to the main menu. Good. So let's change this one. Our location. Let's change it to our location. Then let's highlight the whole text here. Let's come to the bold symbol there, click on it and let's center it. Click on the middle one to center it and then click on apply. So now let's click on add a new blog. Click on add a new blog and let's scroll down. Let's go to special and let's scroll down and add the map symbol. So just click on it and click on apply. Alright, so we have it here. I hope everyone can see it. Now let's tap on it again. Okay, so you type your location, the name of your hometown, you type it here so that you do your research. Okay, so let me type something here. Good. So when you are done with that, you click on search. So the system will automatically detect your area for you. Now let's click on go. Let's click on apply. So let's wait for it to appear here. Good. So we have it here now. So view larger map. If you want to view the whole thing, you click on this one, view larger map. Okay, so this is the larger map. You click on apply and let's wait for it. So we have it here now. Good. Okay, so now let's go back again and create a particular page for pictures. So click on the menu button. Let's come to add a new page. Add a new page. So we want to add photos. So click on it and click on apply. Have the page here. Now let's click on the menu button here again. Let's go back to that page and change it. We want to remove the page from there. We don't want it to appear gallery page. So let's just write gallery. Then you click on apply. Now let's click on the menu button. Let's go back and click on the gallery. You click on it and let's come to this place and give it our gallery. Alright, now let's come to this section here. Let's give a title to this blog. Let's give it a title. So you can name it photos. Then you highlight the whole text. Click on the bold and center it and click on apply. Good. So we have it here now. Now you write something small to describe what you are going to upload here. So tap on it and start typing whatever you want to type. So please make sure you prepare for this section too before you start. Thank you. When you are done with that, you click on apply. For the sake of this tutorial, so I don't want to type anything long. So now let's click on this one here. Let's click on it to upload image. So choose an image and let's go to our gallery. Good. Okay, so let me select this image for the sake of this training, so I'll use any image at all. Now let's describe it. You can give it a name, flyer. If you want it to show, you activate it here. If you don't want it to show, then you leave it. So it's the same thing that we are going to do for all the images that we are going to upload. So click on apply and let's upload images to all these sections. Alright, so these are the images that we have here. We have our images here successful. At the top, let's click on this here. Click on it and let's do some settings there. So alright, so you click on the bold, you center it, and then you click on apply. Good. So let's go to the down and check something there. Please, I hope you can see that it is here now. It is here, so you can decide to write whatever you want to write. It will appear here. Let's go to set an address for this site. How to set an address for this site. So click on it. Let's click on it and come to this section here. Choose a free domain. So we are going to use a free domain ending with simdiv.com. Okay, so let's do the name research. So Jofos. Done with that one, you click on check if this name is available. Click on check if this name is available. Okay, so the site name is not valid. Please check your input again. So let's click on OK and come to this here. Let's change it to end. Let's see if it will work. So the name is available. This name is available. This name is available. Okay, so click on apply here. Okay, the name has been saved. Click on OK. Good. So when you come to the top here, you see your name here. When you come to the top, when you are able to do it where your name, your website address will appear here. This is what people are going to click on before they can have access to your website. Alright, now quickly go to look at how we can publish our website. So let's look at how we can publish our website, but before then, let's go through all this and see if there is any mistake that we need to correct. Sorry for that. Okay, so let's scroll down. Okay, let's click on the menu button to move to the next one, which is our courses. Okay, so now let's quickly go to publish. Let's come and click on publish here. We are now going to publish our website. Okay, so this is what you have. You need to write the name of the author, the one who designed the site. So write the name of the author. Okay, so Prof. Jofos, without wasting much time. Prof. Jofos. Then enable this to display your signature at the bottom of your site. So activate this one. Let's leave this one for now and click on apply. Okay, so an email will be sent to you. But before the email will be sent to you, we need to confirm the email address. So the email address that we use, you have to type it there. You have to type, sorry, let me go back and do it well for you to see. So let's click on publish again. When you check this one, the name of the author of this site has been marked. Now, we want to enter the email address that we used when we were creating an account on this app. So let's click on it to confirm. So click on this one. Please send me an email to verify this address. Okay, so go to your email and click on the verification link. Click on done and let's go to our email address. Okay, so this is the Gmail app. Click on it and let's locate that particular message. Okay, so this is the message, the email that has been sent to us. So let's click on it first. Okay, so click on the link here. Click on the link and that link will take us back to the app again. Okay, now let's go back to the publish again. Click on it. Please make sure that you have a strong internet connection. So when you are doing this, be careful because they will be disturbing you a little bit. Now, agree to terms and conditions of service. This one. Agree to terms and conditions of service. So I have agreed. Then click on accept. Without that, you cannot publish your website. So please kindly do that. Okay, let's click on it again. Publish. Click on publish now. And let's wait for it. Good. The most recent version of your site is now visible on the web. So you can decide to view your site. So click on view site. And let's go to Google to see if our site will be there or not. So this is our site. So anyone that click on this, the person will go straight forward to our site. Anyone that is having the link, the person will have access to our site. Let's go to our courses and check something there. We have it here. We also have that one today. Okay, let's go to our location. Let's go to location. We will have our location here. It's also here. Just that the network is not strong. That is why you cannot see the location now. Let's go to videos. Click on videos and let's see what will pop up. Wow, we have our videos also here. We uploaded 2 videos. They are all here. Now let's go to the location again. Let's go to the location again. We want to see that one before we leave here. Good. The location is also here. Now, the one who designed this site, the name is here. Everything is here. So, guys, thank you for watching these tutorials. Bye-bye.